I'm Shiv Arora and I'm associated with PT Tutorial since August 2018. And today we have one of our client, Mr. Vittal, who has scored his desired score. And let us discuss with him about his journey and let us introduce himself first. So, hi Vittal, good evening.
Hello, Shiv. Hi, friends. So this is Vittal here. I have cleared my PT exam with desired score, and I cannot believe that I've crossed a milestone towards my career with the help of pttutorials.com.
Okay, so how did you hear about the PT tutorial?
Facebook and
Okay.
Telegram.
Okay, Facebook and Telegram.
Yes.
So, uh, how was your overall experience with the PT tutorial and PT tutors and their material and everything? How was your overall experience?
Yeah, see, my overall experience was really good,
Hmm.
especially with respect to PT tutorials, a website, application,
Hmm.
interface, and mock tests, and especially scored and unscored mock tests. So
Okay.
it gave me a really nice experience.
So, how do you grade that their PT mock test and their all questions? How were that? They were similar to your PT exams. What? How was the level about when you compare those our questions which were shared by your tutor and on our website and on our application? Was it similar to your PT exam?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, the level it was up to the standard,
Okay.
including the timings and the standard, which with the help of interface. So it
Hmm.
gives us the feel that we are almost facing the real interview and real PT exam. So that will give us a confidence of taking the PT exam.
Okay, fine. So if I look at your score report, you have improved a lot in your like speaking section. And do you want to give any strategy? Like how did you score 90 and earlier you were not able to score 65 also? What were the your strategy and what were the tips you have uh, used in to score that 90 score?
Yeah, so definitely. So I would like to thank my tutor Shiv Arora first because he focused and helped me to see what are the areas that which I have to improve,
Hmm.
and he also gave me a consistent feedback on day basis. So with the
Okay.
help of that, I was able to achieve that score. And in addition to that,
Hmm.
you should also be focusing on your oral fluency.
Hmm.
So along with the PT materials, so
Hmm.
consistent practice, uh,
Hmm.
I was able to crack my desired score.
Okay, that's very nice. And what about like people struggle? I have seen my students, they struggle a lot in their listening section also. You have scored very well in your listening section also. So what was your strategy like in your listening section and your reading section? You get your desired score in your listening and reading section also. What was your strategy? Like if we talk about a summarized spoken text or like write from dictation. So how did you tackle those questions?
Like every day, I used to practice, especially these questions, which I initially felt it was tough.
Mm-hmm.
So my tutor said that you have to practice these tasks
Mm-hmm.
every day, especially like summarize text, written text. Like
Mm-hmm.
1 hour, I used to practice every day. So
Mm-hmm.
practicing every day with the consistent effort will help you with the confidence. So that will help you to get the desired score.
Okay, that's very nice. And did you use any template or anything? Like any, did you rely on any template or repeated questions or anything?
Yeah, so I used both.
Oh.
My tutor gave me a template.
Mm-hmm.
With the help of template, I practiced it. So
Mm-hmm.
with help of template, it will be easy for you to
Hmm.
do your exams as well. So that will help you to get the desired score as well.
As now you have achieved your desired score, so would you recommend this tutor and PT tutorial to other students?
Yes, definitely. I would
Mm-hmm.
recommend everybody, especially those who are looking to score desired score. So
Mm-hmm.
definitely they should go for this, especially group or personalized coaching,
Mm-hmm.
because they go from basic to advanced level.
Okay.
So with the help of this level, for any aspirants, it will be easy for them to crack their desired scores.
Okay, that's very nice. So you have mentioned that like their material and their tutor standard or way of teaching, it's applicable for every kind of student. Like they start with a basic level. So after they look at the students level, after they increase their standard also.
Exactly, especially the day when you speak to the tutor, no, the first time. So that day itself, tutor will be able to figure out like what
Okay.
is your area of improvement. Especially
Okay.
when it comes to my tutor, he helped me to focus on my
Mm.
areas of improvement. He also
Mm.
saw about my strength and weakness.
Okay, fine. So finally, so we wish you good luck, and on behalf of a PT tutorial, I wish you good luck for your rest of the application process. And it was very helpful for us. Also, it was a pleasure for working with you, and we wish you good luck for your future.
Thank you very much. Thank you for my tutor and as well as pttutorials.com.